Tired of overpriced gadgets? We found 10 unique AliExpress products under $10 that actually work. These are hidden gems you won't believe exist. Let's check them out. Struggling to wake up on time? Or can't see your clock in the dark? This $7 gadget solves both problems. Meet the projection alarm clock that displays the time on your ceiling or wall in crystal clear digits. Just rotate it 180 degrees to aim anywhere you want. The large digital screen is super bright and easy to read from across the room. Perfect for bedrooms, dorm rooms, or even your office desk. But it's not just a clock. It shows the date, temperature, and has multiple alarm settings. Everything you need in one smart device. And here's the crazy part. It's only $7.64 on AliExpress. That's less than a coffee, but this will actually help you start your mornings right. But hurry, this deal ends November 20th. Link is in the description. Grab yours before the price goes back up. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Can't sleep because of noise? Or hate earbuds falling out at the gym? This $5 headband fixes everything. It's a soft sports headband with built-in Bluetooth speakers inside. Perfect for sleeping, running, or yoga. Ultra comfortable and stays put all night. Only $5.26 on AliExpress until November 20th. Link below. Grab it before this deal disappears. Want to monitor your PC's performance in real time without alt-tabbing? Check this out, a tiny screen that shows everything. This is a 3.5-inch IPS secondary display that connects via USB Type-C to your computer. It's a dedicated monitor just for your CPU, GPU, RAM, and hard drive stats. Works perfectly with IDA 64 software on Windows 10 and 11. You get crystal clear 320 by 480 resolution showing live temps, usage percentages, and fan speeds, all at a glance. No more switching windows during gaming or video editing. Keep an eye on performance, catch overheating issues early, and optimize your system like a pro. And here's the insane part, it's only $2.81. Yes, less than $3 for a legit secondary monitor. That's cheaper than an energy drink. Deal ends November 20th. Links in the description. Grab it now before the price jumps. Staying in a hotel or Airbnb and worried about break-ins? This 99-cent device could literally save your life. It's a portable door barrier alarm that wedges under any door and triggers a deafening 120 decibel alarm if someone tries to force it open. That's as loud as a chainsaw. You get 2 layers of security. The physical barrier stops the door from opening, while the ear-piercing alarm scares intruders away and alerts everyone nearby. Lightweight, portable, works on any door, perfect for hotels, dorms, airbnbs, or even your bedroom at home. No installation, no tools, just instant peace of mind. And it's only 99 cents. Less than $1 for safety you can take anywhere. That's literally the price of a candy bar for your security. Deal ends November 20th. Link below. Don't wait. Grab yours now. Ever wish you could watch videos in the shower or while doing makeup? This 99-cent magnetic mount makes it possible. It's a Joyroom magnetic suction cup phone holder that sticks to mirrors, shower walls, tiles, any smooth surface. Works perfectly with iPhone 16, 15, and Pro Max models. Watch tutorials while getting ready, catch up on shows in the shower, or follow recipes in the kitchen. Completely hands-free and waterproof suction. And it's only 99 cents. Less than $1 for the ultimate bathroom upgrade. Ends November 20th. Link below. Need a flashlight that does everything? This $5 mini beast will blow your mind. Meet the Workos HD03, a 680 lumen pocket flashlight with spotlight and floodlight modes, USB-C rechargeable, plus RGB lighting for emergencies. Magnetic base sticks anywhere, built-in clip for your pocket or hat, and it's so compact you'll forget it's there until you need it. All this for just $5.27. That's less than a fast food meal for a flashlight that could literally save the day. Deal ends November 20th. Link below. Grab it. Tired of noisy mouse clicks driving everyone crazy? This Ugreen Silent Mouse is a game changer. Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4G dual connectivity, 4000 dpi precision, 6 silent buttons, and ergonomic design for all-day comfort. Only $7.32 until November 20th. That's insane value. Link below, grab it now. Tired of wrestling with heavy gas trimmers and tangled cords? This $7 cordless wonder will change your lawn game. It's a lightweight cordless weed trimmer that's perfect for small courtyards and gardens. No gas, no cords, no hassle. Just grab it and go. Trim edges, tackle weeds, reach tight spots around fences and flower beds. It's portable, quiet, and so easy to use that anyone can handle it. And get this, only $7.46. That's less than 2 coffees for a tool that'll save you hours of yard work. Deal ends November 20th, link below. Riding at night feeling like you're invisible to cars? This $6 bike light pumps out 10,000 lumens, that's brighter than most car headlights. Meet the new Bowler bike light, 10,000 lumens of pure visibility, 10,000 mAh battery for hours of runtime, USB rechargeable, and completely waterproof for any weather. Perfect for mountain biking, road cycling, or your daily commute. Mount it in seconds, charge it anywhere with USB, and ride confidently knowing drivers can see you from blocks away. And here's the crazy part, only $6.12. That's less than a movie ticket for a light that could literally save your life. Don't gamble with your safety on the road. Spent $50 on your JBL Go 4 speaker just to scratch it up? This protective case keeps it perfect. The ZOPRORE case is made from durable TPU material, has a built-in stand for hands-free viewing, fits perfectly with precise cutouts, and adds zero bulk to your speaker. Perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, or just protecting your investment from drops and scratches. Only $8.87 until November 20th. Link below. Protect your speaker now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for today's coolest gadgets.